Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And for today's episode, tayo ay magluluto ng Swam sa mais with chicken. And here are the ingredients: boiled chicken fillet, fish sauce, garlic and onion, spring onions and carrots, sweet corn chicken stock, and wonder gulay ang malunggay. Now let's start cooking. Turn on the flame, put in the pot, and let's saute. First, we'll add oil in the pan. We're using regular oil for this, and we'll saute our aromatics. And let's start with our garlic, followed by our onions. Normally, for an Ilocano recipe for this, we don't saute the recipe. But since we're adding in chicken for this recipe, it would be more tastier if we will saute it. Now, our aromatics has been sauteed well. We can now add in our boiled chicken fillet. The chicken has been pre-boiled, so the broth from where we boiled our chicken will also be used for this recipe. So there's no need for us to use chicken bouillon or some sort of chicken powder because the stock that we will be using here is already flavorful. Before adding in the stock, we'll add first the main ingredient for this recipe, which is the sweet corn. I'm using a semi-purple corn for this recipe. As you can see, there are some corn kernels that are purple in color. This is the another version of the sweet corn or the yellow corn. But the best variety of corn to be used for this recipe is actually the mais na malagkit or the native corn. It's not that sweet compared to the purple corn and the yellow corn, but it is more starchy. Thus, it makes the soup thicker in consistency. So it is more suitable for this kind of recipe. While sweet corn and this purple corn are more suitable for pastries or dessert. Nevertheless, whatever variety of corn that is available in the pantry or in the market or in the grocery, you could use them. I am not restricting you on a particular variety of corn for whatever kind of recipe you wish to do. Now, I am just sauteing well the corn so as its natural sugar will be released. After this, we can now add in our carrots. Then after which, we can now also add in our chicken stock. We'll just need to strain our chicken stock to remove the impurities obtained from boiling our chicken. Believe me, this chicken stock is magic. Our soup is going to be more flavorful and tasty because of the stock. Now, we'll just give it a quick stir and bring this into a boil, and then after which we will turn down the heat and will allow this to simmer. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. So we can now turn down the heat and let's simmer our soup. It's also important that in the process of simmering, we also have to stir every now and then our soup to ensure that none sticks at the bottom of the pot. So we'll continue to simmer this to ensure that all of the ingredients will come together or marry each other until it becomes thicker in consistency. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my video. At this juncture, we will now season our soup with fish sauce. For a more common dinengdeng in Pangasinan and most likely in the Ilocos region, definitely it's good to use bagoong. You may also use salt because there are some who cannot take in bagoong in Swam sa mais. I'll name a few. Shout out to James Ong. Ayaw niya daw ng Swam sa mais with bagoong. But for this recipe, we used fish sauce because of its added umami taste. Now, I'm good with the consistency of our soup. We'll increase the temperature and bring this to boil because we will now be adding in our greens such as the spring onions and our wonder gulay, ang malunggay. So we'll just allow to wilt a little our greens and then we'll turn down the fire and we're good to go. We don't want to overcook our wonder gulay because meron siyang aftertaste na medyo maanghang na medyo mapait. And we don't want that. And we'll just give this a quick stir, cover, and we're good with our Swam sa Mais with chicken. Presenting our soup of the day, the rich, the sweet, and corny Swam sa Mais with chicken. Thank you pa. And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!